Today is an opportunity to take a step forward. Recovery is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every day is a new chance to choose a healthier, more balanced path. Addiction is a complex challenge and it's easy to feel discouraged, but remember, healing doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process of rebuilding trust with yourself, setting boundaries and learning to live in the present moment. Focus on the small victories. Whether it's 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week of staying sober, these moments matter. They add up and build the foundation for lasting change. Don't be too hard on yourself for the mistakes or setbacks. Instead, see them as part of the journey. What can you learn from them? How can you grow stronger? Remember, recovery is not a straight line. It's full of twists, turns, and sometimes setbacks. It's about showing up for yourself every single day, even when it feels difficult. Surround yourself with supportive people who understand the struggle and will encourage you when times are tough. Feedback and encouragement for today. Embrace small wins. Celebrate even the smallest steps forward. Acknowledging progress, no matter how tiny, can help shift your mindset toward growth rather than focusing on the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Be compassionate with yourself. Recovery is a process, not a destination. Practice patience. If you stumble, don't see it as failure, but as an opportunity to adjust and learn. One day at a time. It's tempting to look too far ahead and feel overwhelmed. Focus on today. What is in your control right now? Keep your focus on the present moment and give yourself permission to take things one step at a time. Seek connection. Isolation can be one of the hardest parts of addiction recovery. Reach out to someone today, whether it's a friend, a sponsor, or a support group. Sharing your thoughts and struggles can provide relief and reduce feelings of loneliness. Keep moving forward, and remember that recovery is about finding peace, healing, and reclaiming your life, one day at a time.
Let him cook! Let him cook now!